3 art hacks really improved my drawings. So if you want to take your drawings to the next level with these hacks, stay with me until the end of this video. Hi, I'm Kiyomi. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. I mean just support. Okay, let's go. Hack 1. First one is about color pencils. Adding details with color pencils is so good, but it might take a long time to color the whole drawing, especially if your drawing is so big. In this case, you can use other art mediums to add a layer of color. It can be anything, markers, watercolor, and so on. It doesn't matter if these art mediums are not so good, and just some cheap art supplies, because we are going to add shadings with color pencils. So in this way, you finish the drawing so faster. Second one again is about color pencils. Sometimes after finishing a color pencil drawing, there isn't enough contrast and it doesn't look bright. So in this case, you can add a layer of markers. Here I want to try it with one of my drawings. It makes the coloring so smoother and brighter. Hack 3 again, it's not about color pencils this time. Sometimes you can use different sizes of outlining to make the drawing look better. I don't know how to describe it, it just makes the drawing look more 3D or look a little bit more dynamic. I don't know, but it just makes it look better. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Tell me which art hack can be helpful for you. If you want to see Santa Claus in anime version, you can check this video. Bye!